introduction muna natin yung mga ano nila. The big letter of N is the total population, and the smaller of the sample size, and M is the mean or average, and mean of the sample mean, and the variance of sample mean. The standard deviation is standard deviation sample mean, and the population. So ito yung problem. Janica pursues three candy of different flavor in supermarket. She asks Adelina to play guess in price game to following table. Give the unit price a peso of the three candy. Suppose he asks her to guess the price of three candy by taking random samples of three size this population. So this is the table and this is the problem. This is the flavor of candy. This is the price of candy. And problem, ma'am, compute the population mean. Alam niyo naman kung ano yung mean, di ba? Inano ko na kanina. And this, the compute the population mean. This is the formula of the population mean. Mean summation of x and the total population. Madali lang yan. Kukunin lang lahat yung mga price ng mga problem. 10 plus 12 plus 13 divided by 3. 3, this is the total population mean. And kukuha nyo 35 divided by 30. Then ito na. Sabi nyo kasi in peso, kaya linigay natin ng peso. B, mean of the sample mean. This is the second problem. Magkaiba yung population mean and the sample mean. Mean of the sample mean. Iba rin yung formula. Yung sa ilalim, yung doon, total population. Dito, this is sample mean, the smaller of n. Then, may cushion sa taas. Then, hindi natin niya makukuha kasi wala naman sinabing exactly sample. Sabi niya, random. So, gagamitin natin NR. Paano ba kukunin yung NR? Paano nga ba kukunin yung NR? Diba sabi niya, 3 and 12 R2. Yan. Makukuha natin yun. Yan yung magiging sample natin. So, ayun na nga. Nakuha natin 3. Number of the random sample of 3. Siya yung magiging random natin. Yan, 1, 2, 3. That's yung mga ano nila. 10, 12. Para yung mga kukunin natin, wala silang uulit kasi random sila. Yan, makukuha natin. So, 35. Then, ito yung formula, diba? Yung N, don't forget the sample size. Hindi siya total population. Yan, 13. Dapat yung makukuha natin sa mean of the sample mean, kagaya lang siya ng population mean. Pag di sila nagkapareho, may mali sa nagawa ninyo. And the last question. So, yung discuss natin yung null hypothesis. Null hypothesis yung claim inequalities na may no significant difference. Tapos yung alternative hypothesis or H ay ka-opposition ng null hypothesis. Ito naman yung inequalities na may. Pag nakita kayong ganito, means two-tail test. Kasi may two-tail test and one-tail test tayo. So, yung gagamitin din natin ngayon, D test. May T test. Tapos, ito yung decision rule. If the computer Z is greater than critical value, reject the null hypothesis. If Z computed less than Z critical, do not reject HO. Ito yung mga kailangan natin kunan. 1. State of hypothesis. 2. Statistical test. 3. Level of significant and critical value. 4. Computation. 5. Decision. Ito yung magiging problem natin. The printed manufacturing company claims that an average of new different printer can print of 1,500 pages of Word documents with the standard deviation of 60-35 of the printer showed the mean of the 147 pages. This support the company claim. Use 95% confident level. 1. State method hypothesis. So, yung claim natin, null hypothesis is equal 1,500. Tapos, ang HA, di ba, ka-opposite siya. It means yung equal. So, magiging not equal. Tapos, paano natin malalaman kung gagamitin ba yung Z test? If the 30 is greater than the sample. Second, statistical terms. Since n is greater 30 and the given is standard deviation, then use z-test. Third, at kung paano naman kukunin yung level of significance ng critical value o CV or critical value. Ito yung 0.5 siya magiging alpha. So, paano ba ko kukunin? Paano nga ba kukunin ito? Ito 1 tail test. Ito 2 tail test. So, dahil 2 tail test tayo, so, pupunta tayo dito. Ano nga ba yung alpha natin? 0.5. 0.5. So, yung magiging critical value natin is positive or negative 1.96. Tapos, this critical value of z is using a 2 tail test at 0.5 level is positive and negative 1.96. Computation. Ito yung mga given. Mean, 1,500 sample mean, 1,475, and 35 is a sample. Then, the standard deviation is 60. Ito yung formula. Mean, sample mean minus mean. Then, over standard deviation is square root of sample. 1,475 minus 1,500 over 60 square root of 35. So, yung makuha natin dito is negative 25. Dapat ito, ipag-divide nyo lang din, makuha nyo 10.14. So, i-divide nyo yung dalawang yung makuha nyo, negative 2.47. Ito yung decision ngayon. The computed value is z, negative 2.47, which is greater than 196 at 0.45 level of significance. Therefore, reject the agent of the. Paano nga ba, bakit nga ba na-reject yung agent? Kasi, mas greater than yung z computed natin kaysa sa z critical natin. This claim is printed the manufacturing company that average certificate printer can fit of 1,000 pages. Tandaan lang, kung ang z computed natin mas is greater than z critical, do not reject siya pag mas mataas. Pero if less than, do not reject and accept the null hypothesis. Thank you. The 100 to square root of tas divide 3. So, natin yan. Ito yung formula. Yung m, yan yung mean natin. 7. Then, minus mo lang square root of 20 makukuha mo.